right, so now to learn a little bit more about the Make Ready Engineering web app project, John Lopez with the Alpharetta DRG group has a small presentation for us.
Thanks, Justin. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day wherever you might be. My name is John Lopez, Product Manager for the Asset Management Division of Davy Resource Group here in Alpharetta. I oversee two teams, both the geospatial programming and web programming team. Our primary focus is to support clearing and collector-based field projects. And this is something that we've been doing since 2017. So two things that I'll be covering in this rapid presentation are both the MRE web application designed specifically for the Everstream project with the generic use in mind, as well as the technology behind it. I'll go ahead and start with the technology. First, going with Arcgis Enterprise. This is a SQL Server architecture that we have hosted on-prem, and this is primarily used to house the geospatial information from Collector in the ArcGIS suite. We also have the Microsoft Azure SQL Server database, which is a similar architecture except on the cloud. This is used primarily for managing web app related data and relationships between the Azure and Enterprise geodatabase. We also use Microsoft Azure Blob Storage for hosting files such as photos and PDFs collected from the field. And we also use ASP.NET MVC5 for the backend development. This is a mature framework developed and maintained by Microsoft for web apps. Okay, so why are we building this? We were approached by the MRE team to build an application to streamline their workflow, and has been in development since March 2019, so about 3 months. The MRE team has disconnected data between Google Sheets, ArcGIS data, associated files such as pictures and PDFs, and no formal way of reporting data to clients. So the process is very complex and tedious as a result, and our number one goal is to bridge data sets together into a unified interface for both the MRE team and Everstream to simplify their workflow and maintain data integrity. And we achieve these through our main web app components. Firstly being the login page, where we use Azure Active Directory for Davy employees, and a client login for Everstream. And this is a read-only mode. We also have a spreadsheets view, which is powered by Hands-On Table, which is a JavaScript framework. Has a familiar feel to that of Google Sheets. It allows for a smooth transition into a new workflow since they're already using Google Sheets. And it has a Microsoft Azure SQL database backend. We also have a map view, and this is powered by the ArcGIS JavaScript API, where we have layers with the exact same symbology as our collector field apps to improve any communications between office and field. We have many features such as linking layers and features to sites, permits, and applications, which is a pretty big disconnect in the current workflow. And we have selectable layers within the map that have associated links to view cloud-based files such as photos and PDFs. And this is possible through the Azure Blob Storage. Okay, and lastly, we have a dashboard. This is to provide analytics on the site information maintained in the office and field collected data along with reports to provide to clients. The dashboard is currently under development. And our primary audiences when we're building this are two groups. The MRE team being the first one, where they're coming into the application, they're updating data, combining tabular data to geospatial data through some of our neat relationship management features. And this was achieved through several discovery meetings and trial and error in the user experience design. And the Everstream, we have a client view for them, it's read-only, and we mostly expect them to be engaging in the dashboard and analytics piece where they can pull their own reports as they please for their convenience. I know these are rapid presentations, so if anyone would like a detailed walkthrough of the web application, please don't hesitate to email me at john.lopez@davy.com, or feel free to give me a call at 470-261-3751. Thanks.
Thank you, John. Appreciate that.